How to use Autotutor for students. There are 6 steps to this. We will go through them in turn. 1. Find your level. Just go to the questions page and try one or more quizzes to find your level. For example, we show the order here for Australia or for India of various quizzes that will enable you to decide where to start. 2. Explore the site. You need to see what is available at the site. This includes the results page with history, solutions and rankings, formula sheets available for each question, information section with formula sheets, notes, videos, help files and frequently asked questions. 3. Map your path. This will depend on your level and the final exam you're aiming at. For example, in Australia, you might start with Year 9, then work through relevant Level 1 skills, relevant Level 2 skills, and then the further maths exam with core and selected options. Or for India, you might move through Year 9, relevant Level 1 skills, Year 9 India, relevant Level 2 skills, and finally through Year 10 India and Year 12 India for your chosen exam. 4. Do quiz practice. For your level and topic, do regular quizzes until you are confident. For example, you might score at least 90% for 3 consecutive attempts and then move on to the next topic or level. The important thing is to learn from your efforts and the solutions and other feedback provided so that you continually improve. Draw on other resources as needed, such as the formula sheets, videos, textbooks, the internet, and of course input from your teachers. 5. Move through your chosen levels. At the end of each level or topic, consider giving yourself a full practice exam. This is a bigger test and will consolidate your learning. For each new level, go back to step 4 and work through the topics as before. 6. Review your progress. Review your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Autotutor can help you with many secondary school maths syllabuses as well as physics. Your results will improve in relation to your efforts. If you have suggestions for us or notice a problem, please just let us know. Thank you.